Itlog na gawa sa gata ng niyog. Bacon, hipon at isda, gawa naman sa soybean. Ultimo milk tea, vegan. Lahat ng yan makikita sa Veg Fest sa Pasay.
Hindi ka gumagamit ng anything came from animals.
May tulong din daw sa kalusugan at kalikasan ang vegan lifestyle.
Ang carbon footprint ng isang vegan is masyadong mababa versus doon sa mga kumakain ng karne. Since plant-based ka, gulay at prutas, mostly ang kinakain mo, syempre, mas healthier yung lifestyle.
Isa sa mga paboritong panghimagas ng mga Pilipino ang halo-halo pero kadalasang sangkap nito mga non-vegan food gaya ng leche flan, ube halaya at gatas. Pero sa pagkakataong ito, 100% vegan ang kanilang halo-halo milk tea. Sarap!
They don't have to let go yung mga favorites nila katulad ng milk tea. Kumbaga, imbes na mahirapan sila nakalimutan or talikuran yung mga paborito nila, meron na siyang vegan version.
Sa pwesto namang ito, dama na ang Pasko sa kanilang bibingka. Pati ang tila itlog na pula sa ibabaw, vegan din.
It's made of rice flour. And then the egg po, we also made it. The white part is made of soy milk and coconut milk. And we also made the cheese, cheddar cheese, coconut and soy milk base as well.
Para sa gaya ni Sofia Revilla na 7 taon ng vegan, mahalaga makahanap ng mga pagkain hindi nalalayo ang itsura at lasa sa nakagawian.
It's great to start with familiar foods. Yung mga ganito nga po. So parang it's familiar to you, pero it's the plant-based version. So it's easier. Same with the barbecue po. Super hanga ako sa inyo. Thank you. Ang sarap.
Magpapatuloy ang Veg Fest hanggang bukas. Para sa GMA Integrated News, Bernadette Reyes, nakatutok 24 oras.
Maituturi.
Okay. Ito ang aking comment. Do I have to show up? Okay, yeah, show up tayo. Okay. Masyado against this ano, no? Okay. My point here is, ito yung wrong notion ng mga vegetarians sa Philippines. Well, probably Philippines and other countries, no? Number one, if you are going to be a vegetarian, I didn't see any greens there. Like salad, spinach, broccoli, celery, or fruits, malunggay, di ba? It's supposed to be, if you're a vegetarian, as much as possible, you don't process the food, no? Dahil nakagising ko lang kasi, no? You don't process the food. Kasi once you process the food, kahit sabihin mo veggie yan, nawala na yung authenticity at saka yung mga minerals sa mga hinalo mo. Okay? As much as possible, when you go vegan, you might as well go, what do you call that diet? Wherein you don't cook the food as much as possible. You try to lessen the heat exposure or the cold exposure to the food to retain the nutrients and the enzymes inside the food. Okay? So, that's a wrong notion na bibingka, papalitan mong, tatanggalin mo yung itlog, papalitan mo ng something else. Kaya nga nagbigan para tigilan mo na yung mga lecheng, ano na yun bibingka, minudo, adobo. Well, there's some people there who makes adobo, mechado, whatever, but they're made of tofu. Made of tofu. Tofu is okay because tofu is already processed from soybeans, right? So okay naman na tofu as being fried or in exchange for protein, for meat. But yung gluten, sometimes they use gluten. And now, before when I was young, way back during my hippie days, ang gluten was healthy. But now it's not. Gluten is bad. Correct? They found out ang dami complication ng gluten. It causes an allergic reaction and it kills the microbiome in our gut, which is like essential for our immunity and anti-aging. So yun, that's my point I'm doing here. Kung vegetarian ka, you should be like salad stop without the chicken, without the meat, and without the eggs. Okay? So, yun for me is a true vegan. Mahirap maging vegan because wala namang karinderya yung vegan. At kahit sabi mong 5-star restaurant, wala ka rin makikita. Sa BGC is only salad stop. Yun yung nakita ko, tatanggalin mo pa yung chicken nila. Okay? So, I want to be vegan but wala akong mabili. Salad, imposible. Minsan supermarket, minsan yung mga Rustans, mga SM, they have this salad prepared, no? So yung minsan okay na yon. So you can do that, no? It's essential to be vegan. Why? Because the meat, you know, especially the red meat is really bad for you, for the stomach, for the what do you call this? It's a long topic, no? In terms of eating meat. For the fact lang, the human body was made to be vegetarian. Okay, why? With a set of teeth na walang pangil. Dalawa lang yung pangil dito. The rest are flat. So, imagine mo, who are vegan? Cows, horses. Do they have sharp teeth? Di ba? Flat. Okay. Another, why humans are made to be vegan. I don't know why they don't discuss this. I've known this since I was 18, I was 17. Yung intestines natin, yung long intestines, was only made for vegetarian. Yung mga carnivorous like tigers, lions, or cats, I don't know, dogs, wala silang small, yung intestines sila, no, I'm sorry, no, they might have a large and a small intestines, but their intestines are short. Why? Kasi pag pumasok, ito yung masama sa meat. Pag pumasok yung meat, nabubulok yon. It's hard to process it. It takes 24 hours to process the meat or sometimes longer. So by the time it reaches the dulo, nag-rot na yung meat. So you're eating a rotten meat. That's the problem with meat. Chicken and pork, medyo mabilis ma-process, like eggs, especially eggs, mabilis. White meat is easier to digest than red meat. Okay? Of course, fish is good, no? Except the fish has a lot of mercury, especially farm fish. Do not eat farm fish. When you're eating farm fish, you're eating poison. Tandaan nyo yan. Hindi kayo nakatipid pag bumili kayo dory o yung salmon na may guhit-guhit. Those are farm salmon. Basta may guhit na puti, farm salmon yon. Ang wild salmon, walang stripe na kulay puti. It's all orange. Okay? Alam nyo ba kung ba't yung farm salmon? Alam mo, actually, hindi sila red eh. It's brown. Yung meat nila brown. Alam mo ginagawa nila? Pinapakain ng pellets na red para para maging red yung meat nila. That's how they do it, no? Siyempre, sasabihin sa inyo para bumili kayo sa supermarket. Correct? So, it's only like me and few the others are doing the research and feeding you the information which hindi mo alam. Imagine mo, pinagbabawal niyo yung drugs, pinagbabawal niyo yung alcohol, pinagbabawal niyo yung tobacco. Pero sa pagkain, tangina, di ba? The sugar, the fructose, the pesticides, the mercury content, the antibiotic in the meat, especially the meat sa cows. Okay? Nagtataka kayo kung bakit yung immunity nagkakaroon, ang dami ngayon may autoimmunity problems, correct? Okay. Hindi naman sila uminom ng antibiotic. Well, yung iba uminom ng antibiotic, so that's their fault. Probably, I know Chris Aquino drinks a lot of antibiotic. Anyway. So, I have a friend na talagang doon sa, ano ba to? Ano tawag doon sa kit na parati mong bitbit? I don't know. Merong term yun sa mga babae. Parati siya may antibiotic doon. May maramdaman na siya sa throat niya, puta, inom na kagad ng antibiotic. That is wrong because it kills the good bacteria. Okay? Tandaan nyo it kills the good bacteria. And as well as the bad bacteria. Pero patay lahat ng good bacteria mo. And that's the thing that's need for digestion and produces hormones and then produces immunity platelets for your body. Ang laki ng good bacteria for your body. In fact, if you gather all the bacteria in our body, mag-a-amount siya sa 3 pounds, 4 pounds. That's how many bad bacteria we have. So these are called, in general, they are not only bacteria. We have friendly viruses, we have friendly fungus, we have lahat, no? So these are called microbes, and it's called, now they're discovering it, they're part of the microbiome. So the microbiome now acts as, they control as well the body. Kala nila brain lang nako-control ng body. They don't know now the microbiome is dictating to one another and communicating with the cells what to do. Sasabihin ng microbiome doon, ops, hindi to pwede pumasok sa loob ng katawan because this is bad for you. It feeds the information doon sa gut kung ano yung good, ano yung bad na ikukunin ng body, i-absorb ng body. So that's how clever. Hindi naman brain yun. Imposible naman yung brain magdikta. O ito okay to, ito masama. Di ba? Correct? So, yun. So, I think that's a lot of information for you regarding vegan diet, regarding digestion, regarding human as was made for to be vegetarian. Okay? So I think that's it. Huwag natin pabain to. So morning lecture.